Hi friends, today we'll discuss about how to open a joint savings account in core banking. I'll demonstrate the entire process. Today's process includes creation of individual customers, opening a joint account, setting a mode of operation jointly, maker checker, while creating account, how to use the maker checker, then cash deposit for a new savings bank account. Now I'll show you how to create a individual customer. So if you want to create an individual customer, first you have to select as individual customer, then branch automatically. When I logged in, automatically branch will be selected. Then I'll select the gender and what is the name, date of birth, customer's date of birth, father's name, mother's name, maiden name, customer is a single, married, a single, or I can select married. Then spouse name, spouse date of birth, anniversary date, for the sending the greetings from bank side, occupation, professional, what is the annual income, nationality, Indian, Aadhaar number, I'm giving dummy number, whether is required internet banking, yes, mobile banking, yes, phone number, I'm giving the dummy number, and if you don't want to receive any marketing calls from the bank, then you select this one, do not call. You need a SMS alert from the bank, you select the SMS. So you have a specific request for the SMS, you want only 5,000 rupees and above SMS should be sent, you can select debit, credit, or any specific SMS you want to receive from the bank. You can say like mobile update, date of birth update, you'll get it. If he's a non-resident, you can select this one. So a relationship from the bank side, you have to select here. Then for the KYC checklist, ID proof, I'm selecting as Aadhaar, automatically test come, and issue date. So there is no expiry date, not required. For the address proof, I'm giving the Aadhaar only. So how you want the statement? You want electronic statement, monthly. So my next electronic statement will be sent from the bank on 31st March 2021. My address, flat number 205, second main road, India, state I'll select as Telangana, and district Karimnagar, pin code, there is no validation, residency I'll put it as 5 years 2 months. I'm staying from last 5 years 2 months. If I want a communication address as my permanent address, just select this one. So if you want to upload the documents, so I want to upload the KYC document. So photo is mandatory. So for the testing purpose, I'm using the Aadhaar card also as my photo. Signature. Signature is created. Now I'll say I've created customer. Now I have to approve as a checker. So now I log in as a different user. Here I am a checker. So this will be pending in checker authentication screen. Now you can see the customer record created by the maker. You can verify the entire details, whatever the document uploaded, photo, signature uploaded by me, you can verify. Then checker can approve this transaction. So now Hari customer created successfully. So today's demo regarding a joint savings account. So joint account is more than one customer we required. So now I'll open one more. I'll create one more customer. So I'll go to a customer's creation screen. So I want an individual customer. So individual customer. So branch it has come automatically. I'll say Mr. So male. So Vamsi. Date of birth. Father's name Hari. Mother's name Mari. Single. Qualification graduate. Occupation student. Annual income I'll put, because he's a student, no annual income. Mobile banking yes, net banking yes. So mobile number I'll put as a dummy mobile number. SMS alert yes. And who is the relationship manager? So 10,000 debit and credit, all account statement. KYC. This one I will give it as a PAN. This one I will select as Aadhaar card. So I have not entered Aadhaar card. Statement I want electronic monthly. Address will be camp number 65, 3rd Cross, India, Telangana. If you want to keep your communication address as a permanent address, just select this one and upload KYC documents. So I given a PAN, I can select PAN. So whatever I'm giving, it is all dummy. Aadhaar, photo also I'm giving as Aadhaar only for the testing purpose. Signature, normally it will be different signature, different document will be there. So now second customer is created and it has gone to checker approval. So Vamsi, you can see preview, you can verify before approving the transaction, then you say okay, approve. Now customer 1 and customer 2 created successfully. Now I want to open a account for joint account for Hari and Vamsi. As a maker, I am creating a joint account. Joint account, I am putting as a jointly. Is the primary and authorized signatory. Second one, Vamsi. So only one can have a primary, so another can have a authorized signatory. So I have created a joint account for Hari and Vamsi. Hari will be the primary customer and both are authorized signatories, means both can sign the check. So automatically primary is Hari, so all the details will be fetched from Hari's customer record. You can verify. Purpose for savings. So now account is created successfully as a maker. Now as a checker, I have to approve this account. I'll go to You can see new savings account created and it has come for the approval. So checker can verify and he can approve the account opening. He can verify all the details. Now we have created customer 1, customer 2 and we have created account also. Just you want to search and you want to view the account details. So account is created, Hari and Vamsi, and these are the details. Now I will show you. We have seen creation of customer 1, customer 2 and opening of a joint account and maker checker. For the customer creation and account creation, we have used the maker checker concept. Now I will do one cash deposit and cash withdrawal for this new account. So first will be cash deposit. This is savings account. I will say product category is savings and transaction type is cash deposit. This is the account we have created. So account is inactive, savings account. This is the address I have given. So I am depositing. Right now it is zero balance. 10,000 rupees cash deposit by customer. So what is the denomination? So 10,000 rupees. So transaction, cash deposit, transaction successfully created by the maker. Now I have to approve as a checker. So you can see the details and you can authenticate. Now I will try for a cash withdrawal. So 10,000 we have deposited. Now I will withdraw 5,000 rupees. So you can see 10,000 rupees. Now you can verify the photo and signature also. For the cash deposit, signature and photo is not required. For the cash withdrawal, because account is joint account, mode of operation is jointly, so both has to sign. We can verify the signature and photo. So cash withdrawal for 5,000 rupees. If a check number is there, you can enter, otherwise you leave it. Remix column. So successfully transaction performed by the maker. Now as a checker I have to approve. So cash withdrawal transaction, you can see, you can verify and you can authenticate. So transaction authenticated successfully. Now you want to verify the account statement. Savings account. So 10,000 is cash deposited, 5,000 debited. Now balance is 5,000 rupees. So this is the account statement. Now today we have successfully created a joint account with two customers and maker checker, one cash deposit and cash withdrawal for a new account. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe, share with your friends also.